Alright, another SOHCAHTOA challenge. There are three triangles here. The left one, the right one, and then the big, heavy black outside one. We might have to use some combination of the three to tackle this. They want the length BC, so they want the bottom. Work to 3 decimal places, answer to 2 decimal places. Okay. Well, ABD is a right triangle. Using that, we could find the length of this little bit here, BD. ACD, the right-hand side, is also a right triangle, and we could, in it, find the length Y. Then if we add those two pieces together, that'll be the length that they're interested in. So, two different calculations that'll each give us part of our answer. If you're here at the 20-degree angle, then to you, this side which we want is the opposite side. This is the hypotenuse. Which trig operation can help us with this, opposite and hypotenuse? O and H says it should be sine. We can say that sine 20 equals the opposite side, don't know what it is, over the hypotenuse, which is 12.5. So x should be 12.5 sine 20, which is 4 point, what do they say, work to 3 decimal places, 4.275. For the y chunk, ooh, look at this. We don't have any side measurements for the right-hand triangle. We know the angles, which is nice, but we don't know a single side. Are we doomed? Or I'll rephrase that. We're not doomed. Why not? How can we get started in this triangle when we have no idea what any of its sides are? Well, we have a shot at finding this side, and the reason is that this side also belongs to the left-hand triangle where we do know all kinds of things. So let's see if we can find this now. This, to us, if we're still standing here, is the adjacent side. So if we use adjacent and hypotenuse, we could say that cosine 20 equals the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, which is 12.5. Solve that, and you should get that the adjacent is cosine 20 times 12.5, which is 11.746. So this side, I'll actually erase what's where it just says adjacent. We'll put that measurement in because we're going to need it. 11.746. Okay. Now that we know that, switch colors to try and make this easier to follow. Now we can go after side Y. We can say you could stand at either one of these angles. It doesn't matter all that much. I'll go here. From here, this side is the opposite side. This 11.746 is the adjacent side again. So, opposite to adjacent means the tan ratio is the one we need for this. We can write tan 55 equals the opposite side, I don't know it, over the adjacent side, which is 11.746. So y would have to be 55 tan times 11.746, 16.775. So now we have the left-hand piece of the answer and the right-hand piece of the answer. Not surprisingly, you add them up. 4.275 plus 16.775 tells you that the total length of the side BC should be 21.05, and what unit is this anyway? Centimeters.